is from the root word kura, to surprise or to startle, and prefix with why or walay, meaning none. Thus the phrase means it cannot surprise or startle. It cannot affect, it cannot move, and it is unflinching from danger. When Honorable Manuel P. Zamora was just starting his political career in Moncayo as Sangguniang Bayan member in 1988, a guy named Tirso asked him what position he was running for. When he told him what it was, the guy said, White Buraka. As he ran for a provincial post in the then undivided Davao del Norte, he was asked again what he was running for. He was again told the same thing, White Buraka na. Nothing was able to affect or move or surprise or even scare him or his constituents as he won the elections one after the other. The term stuck with him as he navigated the provincial political arena, even as Compostela Valley province was established in 1998, until he ran for and won as the first district representative to the House of Congress. It was then he brought the name Waipura to the national consciousness. Acronyms are usually used at the start of a campaign for people to remember the platforms of candidates. Honorable Waipura P. Zamora did not have any, except for the tagline, Waipura. Perhaps at the end of his career as a public servant, we can give meaning to that tagline and let people remember him further by what that tagline stands for in the 5 decades of his service. This coffee table book is a simple living tribute to Waipura. It is a story of a fearless and trailblazing leader, a legendary one, not because of his advanced age, but because of how he is cherished and remembered as one who has touched the lives of so many. 51 years is a long time to be in the service of the Filipino people. And the pages of this book are not enough to contain all the good that has been done all those years. In the end, we can truly be grateful that someone like Waipura has walked the earth in his lifetime. A man unflinching in the face of personal and political challenges and undoubting in his lifelong desire to be of service to the people. One who is truly a strong and fearless leader.
Juga si Tuhan